Hey guys, this is Ali with Ali's Tech here with another video, and today we are unboxing the Apple Watch Series 10. Now from here, I don't know if you can see it. Here it is, the 46mm jet black aluminum GPS model. So I know it's been a while since I did an unboxing, but let's get started. I think Apple Watch has like one of the most over-engineered yet most fun unboxing experiences. So here's the watch itself. And as is tradition, the pull tabs over here. There we go. And that's two. Once again, that is absolutely beautiful, right? Let's get it out. So this is the jet black aluminum, so it kind of looks like the stainless steel or titanium, but it's not. It's glossy, really nice, right? Let's see what it comes with. The cable's inside this, and it's about the same cable you get, but it's USB-C, I believe, and braided, which is really nice. Now let's look at the band. This is like the standard Milanese loop that has been coming in most boxes. Right? If you are a fan of the stainless steel models, you've only been getting the Milanese loop. It's like an envelope design for the packaging. Not sure I really like it. But you can see it's like nice. It's a slate color. And yeah, that's it. I will go set it up and I'll be right back. So as you can see, I've attached the band, the Milanese loop, to the watch. And I can really feel how light this watch is. Like compared to my old watch. This one is smaller, but it's actually much heavier than the Series 10. This is the Series 6, and you can see it is incredibly scratched. So yeah, I think also the Milanese loop does help with making it feel a lot lighter. I really like how it looks. Didn't need to break the wallet for the stainless steel or the titanium now. Like the finish of the watch, but it still looks really nice. And that's about it for the unboxing. Thank you for watching.